Hi everyone, I'm here to do Heggerty exercises with you. We're going to start with blending. I'm going to say each sound in the word, and then you're going to repeat the sounds, and then we'll blend that word together. Here we go. S, t, e, m. Stem. S, l, e, d. Sled. S, t, e, k. Stick. S, m, a, k. Smock. S, k, o, l. Skull. S, n, a, k. Snack. S, l, e, t. Slept. That one was a little tricky. All right. I'm going to say a word, and I want you to repeat the word, and then I want you to say the blend. It's going to be an S blend that you hear at the end of the word, not at the beginning. For example, the first word is ask. You say it. The blend we hear at the end of the word ask is sk, the SK sound. Sk. Okay, let's try another one. Gasp. What do you hear at the end? Sp. SP says sp. The next word is dust. What blend do you hear at the end? St. St. Good. The next word is desk. What blend do you hear at the end? Sk. The next word is chest. What blend do you hear? St. The next word is crisp. What blend do you hear? Sp. The next word is mask. What blend do you hear at the end? Sk. Good. And the last word is must. What blend do you hear at the end? St. Good. All right, now I'm going to say a word and I want you to repeat the word, and then we are going to chop it into individual phonemes. So when we're chopping, it's important to remember that blends are still two separate sounds. The first word is swan. S, w, a, n. The next word is step. S, t, e, p. Skip. S, k, e, p. Swam. S, w, a, m. Stump. S, t, a, m, p. Snag. S, n, a, g. Sketch. S, k, e, ch. And the last word is spun. S, p, a, n. Good. All right, get your fists ready because we're going to do some phoneme substitution. The first word is smack. Change sm to st. Stack. The next word is skip. change sk to sl. Slip. The word is slam. Change sl to sw. Swam. The word is slap. Change sl to sn. Snap. The word is slop. Change sl to st. Stop. Good. All right. Now we're going to add phonemes. So we'll start with an ending part of a word, and we're going to add an s sound to the beginning. The first word is well. Add s to the beginning. Swell. The word is pill. Add s to the beginning. Spill. The word is top. Add s to the beginning. Stop. The word is cab. Add s to the beginning. Scab. The word is tack. Add s to the beginning. Stack. Good. Last exercise, we're deleting the beginning sound. The word is stick. Without s, the word is tick. The word is snap. Without s, the word is nap. The word is slick. Without s, the word is lick. The word is sled. Without s, the word is lead. The word is slot. Without s, the word is lot. Good job, everybody.